Welcome to Python multiplication timetable developed using command lines. Let me show you guys how this works. I'm going to enter invalid data in there. As you can see, E3, that's impossible. Invalid input. So let's enter valid data. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to exit out. We just enter exit in there. There. Exiting the system. Goodbye. So I'm going to close that and let's start a new project entirely. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use a for loop and a while loop. So first of all, let's start by importing the system. Import system, and right underneath here is a while is true. Then I'm going to use a try statement here. Try, and let's just enter the exception here. Except, so just display this error message if whatever I enter is invalid. There. So I might as well just print out that. So print, let's say invalid input. Enter a valid number or exit. There we go. All right, so that will be my exception statement. So right here, get that indented. So let's say user input, and this user input is going to be equals input. So that will take in the value. So right there, let's just say enter a number to multiply. Enter a number to multiply. Or exit. To quit. There. Close that. There we go. Alright. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm now going to use an if statement. If this user input here, if that is lower, let's put L in here, lower and equals exit, then we print exit. Exit the program. And let's just say goodbye. There. Then we just say system.exit. That's it. Done. Else is going to be, let's say number. Num is going to be an integer, and that integer is whatever we have inside user inputs. And let's then use a for loop for n in the range of 1 to 13. There. I want you to print. First of all, get it formatted. So let's enter number in here in the curly braces. Number multiplied by, so that should be n, this very one, multiply by number. Okay, and that number should be in the curly braces as well. and that will be equals n multiply by num in a curly braces as well. Then the f kind of like formatted. This number is formatted, okay, which is right here. This n is formatted, which is the number generated 1 to 12, and this number is then formatted. And that is it. So I'm going to save that now. Let's just go straight to file, save as, times table. Let's put for loop there and while loop so that I will know. Alright, save that. Okay, so before we run it, let's just correct this. You see here, that should be a column in there. And in here for n, that should be the range of 1 to 13. Okay, let me see what else have I missed out. I don't think I've missed out any other thing. I'm just going to try it now. Let's come here, save and run. Enter a value. There we go. That's 7 times table. Enter another one. Yeah, 9 times table. And let's exit and see, or just enter whatever character in there that is invalid. Okay, I'm now going to exit. Let's press enter. There we go. Goodbye. And that's how you create your own multiplication timetable using command line with a while loop and a for loop statement in Python. Please do subscribe to my channel and goodbye for now.